The Smart Review presents the 5 best washing machine under $500. Let's get started with the list. Starting of our list at number 5. Panda XPB36. This Panda washer with spinner is completely portable, suitable for caravan, picnics, short trips, for house, condos and apartment using. More surprisingly, Panda twin tub washing machine has drainage pump out just hang nook over side of sink or bathtub. Please understand it's not a fully automatic washer, you may need a little more work between washing and spinning. This is a great little machine. It washes well and spin the clothes almost dry. The capacity is not very big, it can wash 2 or 3 towels or jeans at a time. Coming of our list at number 4. Sonia SYW70S. Compact washing machine washer is totally acceptable for a small space. If you're buying high quality and practical washing machine for a tiny flat, then the Sonia Compact Portable Flat. The high-tech design is presentable also as offers great functionality for a little space. The Sonia Compact Apartment has a 1.9 cubic foot capacity that holds a surprisingly large amount of clothing. It includes mobile casters so it can be quickly and easily tucked away when not in use. For more information, check out the description underneath the video. Halfway of our list at number 3. Danby DWM17WDB. Most compact washers use a pulsating method to shake soils off clothes. This model uses an agitator instead. Agitator washers have a spindle in the center of the wash tub. The spindle often has fins or vanes that stir the water around them. While agitators work to remove stains from clothes, they lower washer capacity and can damage delicate clothes. This is certainly the case with this Danby model, which only holds up to 1.7 cubic feet despite its similar size to larger capacity models. Nearing the top of our list at number 2. Whirlpool GIBS 538725. 3.5 cubic feet capacity gives you the extra space you need for larger loads and bulky items like comforters. The wash basket adapts to both large and small loads for optimal fabric care. Porcelain enamel wash basket resists odors and rust, and its smooth surface helps protect fabrics from snagging. Fabric Sense wash system. Specially designed ridges gently bring laundry to the bottom of the wash basket where cleaning takes place. It can effectively roll over and clean twice the average size load. Clean washer, with a fresh cycle deep fill the washer to clean even those areas that aren't normally reached by low water wash cycles. And coming in at number 1 of our list. Haier HLP24E. The Haier HLP24E is a portable washing machine that can easily fit in a small apartment or home and effectively clean your clothes, even if you don't have washer hookups. This washer comes with a faucet adapter, which allows you to attach the machine to a kitchen or bathroom sink so you can quickly start washing clothes. Its lightweight design makes it easy to move from room to room or even up a flight of stairs without too much of a headache. It also has numerous wash settings and features, giving you versatility when you wash your clothes. For more information, check out the description underneath the video. Thanks for watching our video. For more, subscribe to our channel.